Shavyfxhub. So looking at the structure of BTC, see, we noticed the price action from August 2024. Put into perspective, support become resistance 1, support become resistance 2, support become resistance 3, and support become resistance 4. And the beauty of what happened today was market reacting on triple confluence as evident on the structure. That's a triple confluence. In my earlier chart, what I sent was a double confluence. But a closer look at the structure, we are holding a long position on Bitcoin on that price action. And you will see here we have a horizontal structure, which is a HTL, horizontal trend line, where we have an established retest structure, RT slash ROS after breakout structure. That's a retest candle, subsequent retest candles, what we had here. And we have another one and a breakout structure. What structure was broken? ROS1, ROS2, ROS3, breakout structure, test. So technically that's RT slash SR, and the final confirmation. So that was how we got into that buy. I posted that buy. You go check my previous post for reference, and that was a complete analysis. And when you look critically again from a descending trend line perspective, you will see that we have here as a support structure 1, support structure 2, support structure 3, support structure 4, and finally here. To put it into perspective, that support become resistance 1, support become resistance 2, 3, 4, and finally 5. And if you look here, we'll have an RT, SR after breakout structure. From that liquidity draw, price created support structure, broke out of structure, and we had a playback. And if you look on the line chart, you see a structure at this level, which I also want to put into perspective. From the line chart illustration, you have seen a price return here to create here exactly here as a retest candle, and as well resistance becomes support on breakout structure. And the problem started from after price broke the structure and crossed the line again. A cross of a support structure automatically sent a broken demand floor as a supply roof, and that was a final sell confirmation, making this psychological ascending trend line on a daily time frame. And you have seen a significant drop in price to retest the floor, where we have a triple confluence, a horizontal structure, an ascending trend line, and a descending trend line. And that was the price expectation, and you've seen a very good rally over there. So I think technically, if you look from the line chart, you see a resistance structure on 4 hours at 106.298. 106,298.28. Break and close will be a buy confirmation. Yes, and if that happens, then technically you want to retest into the structure a broken demand floor as a supply roof, and a push into that zone will be around 111, 500 into 11300 as a next sell roof, and a breakaway from here would be a clear buy confirmation. So if price breaks out from there, then most likely market moves up again to update this roof and take away the current resistance that have bedeviled the crypto market. I think on technical that the market might want to continue on a bearish path, and bearish scenario hinges on a breakout from this triple structure. So in the future, if we have a breakout from the structure followed by a retest, we ultimately pull price into a significant area where I expect that price will meet here around 52. This is my ultimate demand floor for crypto. I want to let you know that Shavyfxhub, we're a market structure specialist with a track record of consistent accuracy in the market, and this is what it is. So if we break out from there, I'll be expecting a potential buy floor around here. So that will be around 50 something K, around 50 something K. If you break out from here, it's going to be a free fall. It's going to be a free fall, but maybe before then, we might have some kind of reaction somewhere around here. I think price might find impetus somewhere around here. I see a technical level of impetus at this level. There is one here. Here is another level of impetus, which I see very critical. Is a very strong level of impetus, and let's put it into perspective. Let's put that into perspective, and so that's a push into that structure over there. That's a support structure. That's a resistance structure. So technically setting there up as a future demand floor. Then another impetus if price continues to seek bearish, then this looks pretty good. A retest of this level, that will be very much watched. And at that level, we also want to see what the price does at that level. So these are critical areas of market reaction, and it feels good to see. So let's see what price does as it moves into that zone. Shavyfxhub. Bye for now.